Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna work on the Evo. Gonna be stripping it down to get ready for the new frame. And then over here, this section, got a little makeover. Got this cabinet from Jared Smith. Had this for sale and I just picked it up. Took out the rack system that I had before. Just felt too cluttered. And then got that poster from Josh. We went to Japanese classic car show down in Long Beach. And he bought it for me. Shout out to Josh. And then over here, I made a wall to hold all the tooling for my lathe. This is the newest investment right here. The quick exchange tool post. So much better than the one I had before, the old school one. I'm gonna add another shelf like this over here. It's coming soon. But yeah, I've been turning stuff just to practice, you know. Bought a book, how to use a lathe book. That should be coming today. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. And today we're gonna be stripping the Evo.
Are you ready? Yeah. Bye, Daddy.
The fender, this is the smooth radius steel fender, 5.5. Got a nice little lip right here. This is the Frisco mount with cell style tank. All right, here's the current status of the Evo. I wanted to mock up all the parts that I would be running while I wait for the new frame to come in. I'm gonna be lowering the headlight a little bit. Right now it's a bit too high for my liking. I'm also gonna extend the sissy bar to make it higher. But yeah, just wanna see how everything looks.
Ready?
Hell yeah.
Which one ride?
Whichever you don't ride.
You can ride the newer one. It's e-start.
Good shit, man. This shit's rocky as fuck.
Yeah.
Just add in on the shelf. The lathe area is done. Now it's gotta turn stuff. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.